Did you know pro cooks never use thermometers to check oil temperature? Here's their secret tricks. Drop a wooden spoon in oil. Small, slow bubbles mean low heat for eggs. Fast, big bubbles mean high heat for frying. Listen to the sound too. Gentle sizzle is perfect for pancakes. Loud crackling means crispy chicken time. Watch how food acts when it hits oil. Batter should bubble right away but not go crazy. Fish should sizzle and dance, not sit quiet. Vegetables should bubble around the edges fast. For perfect eggs, the whites should set in 10 seconds. Oil too hot? Turn off heat and wait 2 minutes. Add a splash of cool oil to cool it down quick. The surface tells you everything. Calm oil is too cold. Shimmery wavy oil is just right. Smoking oil is way too hot and dangerous. Drop a tiny piece of bread in oil. It should float and bubble in 3 seconds for perfect frying. No more burnt food or soggy disasters. Follow for more kitchen secrets that make cooking easy.